Welcome to the cold end line for patterned glass production. Step 1. Quality Control System. An automated system uses sensors, cameras, and lasers to monitor and inspect glass in real time, ensuring high-quality standards. Step 2. Longitudinal Cutting. The glass is cut along its length to adjust its width, meeting specific size requirements. Step 3. Transverse Cutting. The glass is cut across its width to create individual sheets of standard dimensions. Step 4. Glass Breaking Frame. Excess glass edges are separated, ensuring each piece meets the required size and shape. Step 5. Automatic Sorting System, including detection systems, sorting devices, and waste collection. Defective glass is identified and removed to waste collection, while qualified glass proceeds to the next step. Step 6. Automatic Offloading. Glass sheets are transferred to storage or packaging areas, with anti-mold powder or paper placed between them to prevent scratches. Thanks for watching.